Have you ever wondered if just thinking about something could actually make it real? It sounds magical, even unbelievable, but that's exactly what the law of attraction claims. Whatever you think about with intense emotion and belief, you attract into your life. From vision boards to manifestation journals, millions around the world have been drawn to this idea. The concept gained massive popularity after the release of the 2006 documentary The Secret, which suggested that thoughts have the power to shape reality. It promised that if you truly believe in something and feel as if you already have it, the universe will deliver it to you. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Many people began linking the law of attraction to science, specifically to quantum physics. They pointed to ideas like the observer effect as scientific evidence that thoughts can shape the physical world. But is that true? Does quantum theory really prove the law of attraction? Or are we misinterpreting complex science to fit our desires? In this video, we'll explore both the origin and evolution of the law of attraction, the actual science of quantum theory, and what really happens when thought meets reality. Where the law of attraction comes from. The law of attraction didn't start with social media or modern self-help books. It traces back to the New Thought movement of the 19th century, which suggested that positive thinking could heal illnesses and bring personal success. In the early 20th century, books like Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich further reinforced this idea. What the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Then came The Secret, which commercialized the concept. It said the universe acts like a cosmic catalog. Place your order with your thoughts and your desires will be delivered. But as more people started using the law of attraction without results, frustration grew. That's when many began looking for something more solid, more scientific. Quantum physics enters the picture. People began referencing experiments like the double-slit experiment to explain how thoughts might affect reality. In this experiment, electrons were fired at a screen through two slits. When unobserved, they behaved like waves, forming an interference pattern. But when observed, they acted like particles, changing the pattern. This strange phenomenon, the so-called observer effect, led many to believe that human observation could influence the physical world. And from there, a new idea was born. If observing something changes it, maybe our thoughts can too. But here's the problem. That's not what quantum scientists actually say. Physicists like Sean Carroll and Sabine Hossenfelder clarify that in quantum mechanics, observation doesn't mean human consciousness. It refers to measurement interactions with instruments, not your mind. So while the observer effect is real, it doesn't mean your thoughts are shaping atoms. What thoughts actually do. That said, the power of thought is still real, just in a different way. Neuroscience shows that when you focus on something consistently, your brain's reticular activating system kicks in. The system filters information, helping you notice opportunities, patterns, and data relevant to your goals. For example, if you decide to buy a red car, you suddenly start seeing red cars everywhere. They were always there, but now your mind is tuned to notice them. This is how belief and focus shape your behavior, which in turn shapes your reality. So no, you don't attract success just by thinking. But thinking does affect how you act, what you notice, and how persistent you are. So can you get everything just by thinking? The honest answer is no, not by thinking alone. But your thoughts have incredible power when combined with clarity, action, and consistency. The law of attraction isn't a magical law. It's a mental discipline. When you visualize your goals, write them down, and focus on them, your brain starts working toward them behind the scenes. And that's where real change happens. Quantum theory, on the other hand, is a fascinating scientific framework that helps us understand the subatomic world. But it doesn't support the idea that thoughts shape physical reality in the way many LOA followers claim. Still, both science and belief agree on one thing. Your mindset matters. So here's what you should do. 1. Define your goals clearly. 2. Visualize them vividly. 3. Take consistent action every day. 4. Stay focused even when results aren't immediate. Because success isn't about wishing, it's about aligning your thoughts with your actions. If this video gave you a new perspective, hit the like button. It helps the channel grow and reach more minds like yours. Drop a comment. Do you believe in the law of attraction? Or do you lean more toward science? And if you want more deep dives where science meets self-growth, make sure to subscribe to Spire. Remember, clarity of thought is the first step to real power.